Hi, this is Emilian from Spring Merchant, and I want to share with you a question on the forums that's pretty interesting. So it starts off by saying we are using the code description product description to display product descriptions for structured data. However, the parentheses and quotation marks in the description are not being rendered as HTML characters, but rather as code, causing the browser to flag this as an error. And then we have the error here. It says uncaught, syntax error, unexpected token. Is there a way to output the description ensuring that all characters are displayed correctly as characters, not code? Thanks, Paul. So first of all, if we look at the error, we'll see that it says unexpected token, and then we have the parentheses. So if we go here, we see the double quote in front of the parentheses, and that's causing the issue. That's causing the syntax error. And the way to solve that is by using single quotes around the JSON variable here. So single quotes at the beginning, single quotes at the end. If that doesn't work, for example, if you have more than one double quote in the product description, or you have, multiple HTML elements that you want to escape, you should probably use the JSON stringify helper. This helper automatically does all of the escaping, and you will not have a problem. It's basically just JSON stringify followed by the product.description variable. And once you do that, it will take care of generating a JSON compatible code. And that should take care of it.